if we take the traditional approach like point-to-point integration, or even after that, once the middle layer comes into the picture, it's with enterprise service bus. What we did was we normally deployed the integration components in on-premise environment. So when you deploy it in on-premise environment, what happens is typically you need to build that environment first. You need to supply the hardware or servers, then you have to do the networking, then you have to install the operating system, and on top of that, other tools that is required to run ESB and other software. Then after that only you can deploy the integration related components or install the integration related components. So as we understand, so there is a lot of human effort is involved in that operation. And also when you are running the system in production, there is like a dedicated trained staff is required to maintain that system. But in nowadays, what happens with iPaaS is it's a cloud service that we get after we subscribe, we get the service. The service provider of the iPaaS take care of all of those background work. That means managing the infrastructure, providing the infrastructure, networking, patching, and updating the software. Everything is taken care of by iPaaS provider. What we need to do is, once we subscribe, we will get the environment, and what we can do the whatever the implementation of the actual workflows on top of the platform. So that is the main difference with the traditional approach. And there are some other differences as well. So with the iPaaS, we have the scalability, very flexible way. So since most of the iPaaS systems are running in cloud service providers or cloud environments, so then scalability is inherited from underlying cloud services. So the scalability, if you take the traditional approach, if you want to scale out the ESB platform deployed in an on-premise environment, so we have to add hardware, add more hardware. So we have to add physical servers to scale it out. But if you take the cloud platform like iPaaS, so you don't need to do that kind of hard work. So you just configure how many instances that you require, or even if it is running a serverless manner, so you don't need to think about the scalability as such. So then it will automatically handle or automatically scale it out based on the load. And also there are some other features inherited from cloud environment when we are using an iPaaS. So it has high availability, failover, disaster recovery, and also backup mechanisms. So those are like a default features coming with cloud services. So then since the iPaaS also is a cloud service, so then all of those features are already there. So most of the iPaaS providers provide these features. Obviously you have to pay for that, for the usage, or there are different pricing mechanisms, but you can still have those features in place to make a better integration platform for your organization.